Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by confirming the mic and permissions are ready. Open the sound recorder or voice recorder app now. Make sure Windows has allowed microphone access. Once done, select the correct input device from the app or Windows settings and adjust system volume to about half so you avoid clipping. Start a quick test recording for 3-5 seconds to verify levels. If you hear distortion, lower gain or move mic farther away. This gets you into the recording flow immediately. Now you will record with intentional control. Hit record and speak at normal distance. Watch the level meter and keep peaks below clipping. Aim near -6 decibels if the app shows numbers. Use pause for short interruptions rather than stop, because pause preserves continuity and saves editing time. If you need multiple takes, give each clip a clear name as you go. That helps later when choosing the best segments. Make notes aloud if you plan to edit sections out afterward. Finish by saving and exporting correctly. After you stop, trim the start and end to remove silence, then export as WAV for highest fidelity or MP3 to save space. Name the file clearly. Once exported, test playback to confirm integrity before sharing. If you get no audio, check microphone privacy permissions, verify input selection, and update or reinstall the audio driver. Make sure the mic isn't muted in hardware or software. Restart the app or computer if problems persist. This often resolves device conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.